Lesson 3.1 is on pages 68 through 70, and our new skills for this lesson are modifying page setup and setting our print area. To begin, you will go to Schoology and download the 3.1 source document, and then save it as 3.1 Cinnamon Roll 2. For step 3, you're going to select cells A3 through C13 and apply a thick black outside border. Step 4, in our page layout tab, in page setup, you're going to set the margins to wide, set the orientation to landscape, and then you will select cells A1 through C13, and under print area, set print area. You will now save this, and then you will print it to the library to turn in.